Today we will talk about a classic case. As long as you use the 3D printer for a long time, then this will definitely happen. Don't panic in this situation. Pause printing first. Appropriately increase the nozzle temperature. From the very beginning, broken material and extruder not working. The resulting nozzle discharge has been ruled out. So there is a high probability that the nozzle is blocked. There is no dredging tool for the nozzle. You can use a thin copper wire like this. After dredging, we directly match the material by hand. It was found that it has been shipped. There is a lot of resistance to materials, and the silk is very thin, so there is a high probability that the nozzle is blocked by foreign matter. This is the worst case scenario. A good 3D printer not only requires high accuracy, and it should be easy to maintain. Because of the modular design, we easily disassembled the nozzle assembly. If we were prepared in advance, same spare parts, it can be replaced and repaired quickly. Here we replace the nozzle separately. During replacement and disassembly, maybe you need a heat gun. Remove the nozzle. Maybe it can be repaired by high temperature burning. But a new nozzle costs a few cents, so it's completely unnecessary. We upgraded the windshield along the way. After replacement, we reload the extruded part back into the printer. Warm up again for the experiment. I found that the silk is very smooth. You can see that the wire diameter is significantly thicker. Did you learn it? If you don't learn, remember to like the collection.